Hi guys, welcome back to the VandenBussche video series. My name is Colin MacLellan. I'm the Golf Territory Manager for Northern and Central Ontario. In this video we're going to be putting back the PRS assembly, and we're also going to be screwing back on the solenoid to the Eagle valve and head rotor. Now, first thing you're going to want to do when you take your solenoid, I always just like to put it in, maybe give it a couple turns to the left, find the groove, and you can easily just turn that solenoid back in. Now Raynor has cleverly designed this so that on the last couple of turns, right when that gets snug, you're not over tightening it, that these wires are going to be pointed towards the rotor, so that if for whatever reason you have to dig in and around the head, you're not going to hit those wires. Also, you're going to want to tuck these wires in when you make your connection right underneath that PRS assembly. And you want to do that for a couple of reasons. Number one, you're going to want to put your connections under that PRS assembly because you'll always know where they are. So if there's ever any issue, you know where they are. It's right under the PRS assembly on the top of the head. You'll know exactly where to dig. And secondly, if you ever have to dig up your connection for whatever reason, you'll just need to dig out a small little section and pull your wires out. And if you just use a little bit of electrical tape, that should keep those wires nice and snug against that rotor. Now, putting the PRS assembly back into the rotor, you're going to want to put that nub, that indicator nub, into the auto position. So that selector indicator, you want to put it into the auto position when you're placing it back in. And you can start to screw this nut back over top of that assembly. You grab your selector tool, your orange selector tool, and use that top, the thicker top nub, and you just basically tighten it down. Now, as you tighten this down, you're going to notice that that selector indicator is going to be turned all the way over into the auto position, or sorry, into the on position. So after you're done screwing that down, just take the end of your selector key, and you're going to want to turn that rotor back into the auto position when you're finished. And guys, that's it. That's putting together a PRS assembly and a solenoid back on your valve. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, our contact information should be on the bottom of this video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please don't hesitate to contact either one of us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the course.